Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Billy Josie, aka the New Generation Marketer, here from Jacksonville, Florida. Wanted to welcome to you this quick video, and I'm going to make this video quick and short. And I entitled this video, How to Use Your Email Signature to Grow Your Audience and Have Leads Contacting You. Again, it's how to use your email signature to grow your audience and to have leads contacting you. Now, I'm actually here in my Aweber account. This is my autoresponder. This is how I send leads out. Send emails out to my leads that I generate. But before I go any further, let me just remind you that if this is your first time on my channel, welcome. If you're an entrepreneur, if you're an affiliate marketer, network marketer, or a home business entrepreneur looking to grow your business, you've come to the right channel. On this channel, I'm going to share, tips, tricks, things that help you grow your business, and things that I use in my own business to help me grow my business. So, welcome. So whether you're part-time or whether you're full-time, I hope you get some value from this video and from, of course, my channel. So how can you use your email signature to really grow your audience and have leads contacting you? So as you can see here, I'm in my Aweber back office, and as you can see here, here's my signature right here. Billy B. Josie III, the New Generation Marketer. Quick, kind of like something to brand that I've been using for years to brand myself, as you know, for my videos. But here's the thing: is how easy it is to get leads contacting you. What I do is I actually leave my number so that when a lead opts into my list, they get into my autoresponder series, or whenever I do a broadcast, I always include my signature, and in my signature is always my phone number. It's my personal phone number, so you can call or text me. And if you're watching this video, if you call this number or text it, you will get me. But I do make it clear that if it's after 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, text me only. Don't call me, because or I'll get back to you the next day. Another quick thing that I do in my signature is that I actually put in, as you can see here, my YouTube channel. I put in my YouTube channel link, so whenever they get like an autoresponder email from me, or I send a broadcast email, they can always click and go to my YouTube channel to subscribe to my channel there. Again, building your audience using your signature. The next thing you see, I put in a couple of things, ways you can connect with me online. I leave my Facebook fan page here, so that link is right there. And then if you go down, there is my my personal Facebook profile. I leave on there too. So anyone that's reading my emails or in my autoresponder, they can connect with me through Facebook, know that I'm a real person, to build that know, like, and trust, and again, to become part of my audience. Next, my Instagram. I put my Instagram down here so that they can connect with me on any of my social media accounts. Just like that. And I put a quick note in here. I'm built on helping people like you make money from home, part-time or full-time. So that's it. A quick way that you can use your email signature when you send out autoresponder emails, or when you send out broadcasts to your list, to grow that audience, and really to have the leads contacting you, so that every day when you send out an email, they see your number. Every day when they in your autoresponder series, they see your number. Every day they see your connections to your social media, so that you're continuing able to grow your audience and still able to build that know, like, and trust factor with your leads. That's it. Quick video for you guys today. I hope you got some value out of this. If you did, let me know in the comments what you think. And also feel free to share this with anyone that you think they can get some value from this as well. Again, this is Billy Josie, aka the New Generation Marketer, here from Jacksonville, Florida. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.